finished my curtain. I hope this is two. I know this is two. So guys, my curtain is funny color. I thought this is gray. This is gray, the other one, but it's not. It's not gray. Max, can you leave me alone?
Max, go get your bag.
It's nice color combination though.
Yeah, it looks like it matches, belongs there.
Oh my god, it smells really there in front of the camera. Oh my goodness, guys, did you see that? My little boy. Look.
Max, do some tricks.
Ayun guys, yung cortina, nakabit ko na siya. Different color, pero parang maganda naman siya kasi ano. Kaso lang, mali yata ang pagkalagay ko. Dapat ito yung nasa ibabaw, katulad ng kabila. Pero hayaan mo na. Natamad na akong umakyat ulit. Yan, parang dapat ganyan. Oh. Iba yung kulay niya kasi ano. So, anyway, nobody know. It's nice though. So, that's it.